So if you're working with emails exported from Microsoft Outlook, chances are that you're looking at an MSG file instead. It's the same email, but a different format. And without a conversion step, it's not something Mesher can analyze directly. And that's where the MSG to EML converter comes in. So rather than leaving you to find a third-party conversion tool, track down a workaround, or lose time mid-investigation, Mesher handles the conversion natively. Simply upload your MSG file into the converter and Mesher will transform it into a properly formatted EML file. Headers, metadata, body content, and all. Ready for analysis just like any other file within the system. From that point forward, your converted file lives in Mesher as a standard EML, meaning that it goes through the exact same forensics pipeline as every other email in your case. There's no shortcuts here, no data loss, no gaps in the analysis. Again, this is a small feature, but an important one, because the last thing you want mid-investigation is a file format standing between you and your evidence. So that's the MSG to EML converter in Mesher in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you over in the next one.